Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Choosing the right tire for your car is crucial for safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. With countless options available, from all-season tires to high-performance models, selecting the perfect tire can feel overwhelming. This guide simplifies the process, helping you make an informed decision by exploring tire types, sizes, ratings, and more. Whether you're upgrading for better handling, preparing for winter driving, or seeking budget-friendly options, understanding key factors like tire size, tread patterns, and load ratings ensures you pick the best tire for your vehicle. Let's dive into the essentials of choosing the right car tire. Understanding tire types for your driving needs. Tire types vary based on driving conditions and vehicle requirements. All-season tires are versatile, offering balanced performance in wet, dry, and light snow conditions, making them ideal for everyday drivers. Summer tires excel in warm weather, providing superior grip and handling on dry and wet roads but struggle in cold or snowy conditions. Winter tires, designed for snow and ice, feature deeper treads and specialized rubber compounds for enhanced traction in harsh weather. Performance tires cater to sports cars, prioritizing speed and cornering precision. Off-road tires suit trucks and SUVs, with aggressive tread patterns for tackling mud, gravel, and rough terrain. Identifying your driving environment and vehicle type is the first step to narrowing down tire choices. Decoding tire size and specifications. Tire size is critical when selecting the right tire. You'll find the size on your car's tire sidewall, indicated by a code like P215/65 R15. The P denotes passenger vehicle, 215 is the tire width in millimeters, 65 is the aspect ratio. Sidewall height is a percentage of width, and R15 indicates a radial tire for a 15-inch wheel. Check your vehicle's manual or driver side door jamb for the manufacturer's recommended size. Using the wrong size can affect handling, fuel economy, and safety. Additionally, consider speed ratings, e.g., H for 130 miles per hour, and load ratings, which indicate the maximum weight a tire can support. Matching these specs to your car's requirements ensures optimal performance. Evaluating tread patterns for performance. Tread patterns significantly impact tire performance. Symmetrical treads, common in all-season tires, offer a balance of comfort and traction. Asymmetrical treads combine different patterns for enhanced grip and handling, ideal for performance driving. Off-road tires feature blocky, aggressive treads for maximum grip on loose surfaces. Consider your driving conditions. Urban commuters may prefer quieter symmetrical treads, while off-road enthusiasts need rugged designs. Treadwear ratings, indicated on the tire, also hint at durability. Higher numbers suggest longer-lasting tires. Prioritizing safety with tire ratings. Safety is paramount when choosing tires. The Uniform Tire Quality Grading (UTQG) system rates tires on treadwear, traction, and temperature resistance. Treadwear indicates durability, with higher numbers meaning longer life. Traction grades A, B, C reflect stopping ability on wet surfaces, with A being the best. Temperature grades A, B, C show heat resistance, crucial for high-speed driving. Additionally, check for Department of Transportation (DOT) certification, ensuring tires meet federal safety standards. For winter driving, look for the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol, indicating suitability for severe snow conditions. Prioritizing these ratings enhances road safety. Considering weather and climate conditions. Your local climate heavily influences tire choice. All-season tires suit mild climates with occasional rain or light snow. In regions with heavy snowfall, winter tires are non-negotiable for their superior grip on icy roads. Summer tires are best for hot, dry climates, offering excellent handling but poor performance below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you experience extreme seasonal changes, consider keeping two sets of tires, one for summer and one for winter, and rotate them as needed. This approach maximizes safety and performance. Always check tire pressure monthly, as temperature fluctuations can affect inflation, impacting handling and tire lifespan. Balancing budget and quality. Tire prices vary widely, from budget-friendly options to premium brands. While it's tempting to choose the cheapest tires, investing in quality can save money long-term through better fuel efficiency, durability, and safety. Mid-range tires often strike a balance, offering decent performance without breaking the bank. Look for deals from reputable brands like Michelin, Bridgestone, or Goodyear, which frequently offer rebates. Online retailers and local tire shops may also provide discounts. Avoid used tires, as their history and wear patterns are uncertain, potentially compromising safety. Compare warranties, as some tires include mileage guarantees or roadside assistance. Matching tires to your vehicle type. Different vehicles demand specific tires. Sedans and compact cars typically use all-season or touring tires for comfort and efficiency. SUVs and trucks may require all-terrain or off-road tires for versatility across paved and unpaved roads. Sports cars benefit from high-performance or ultra-high-performance tires, enhancing speed and grip. Electric vehicles, EVs, often need low rolling resistance tires to maximize range. Check your vehicle's manual for recommendations, as manufacturers design cars with specific tire types in mind. Installing mismatched tires can lead to uneven wear, reduced handling, and even mechanical issues. Exploring top tire brands. Several tire brands dominate the market due to their reliability and performance. Michelin is renowned for long-lasting, high-quality tires across all categories. Bridgestone offers excellent all-season and winter tires, known for durability. Goodyear provides a wide range, from budget to premium, with strong warranties. Continental excels in performance and winter tires, while Pirelli is a favorite for sports cars. Budget brands like Hankook and Falcon offer affordable yet reliable options. Research customer reviews and professional tests from sources like Consumer Reports or Tire Rack to compare brand performance for your specific needs. Factoring in fuel efficiency. Tires impact your car's fuel economy through rolling resistance, the energy required to keep tires moving. Low rolling resistance tires, often labeled as eco or green, reduce energy loss, improving gas mileage or EV range. These are especially popular for hybrids and electric vehicles. However, some low rolling resistance tires may compromise grip or handling, so balance fuel efficiency with performance needs. Check for tires with high UTQG Treadwear ratings, as they often correlate with lower rolling resistance. Regular tire maintenance, like proper inflation and alignment, further optimizes fuel efficiency. Knowing when to replace tires. Tires don't last forever, and knowing when to replace them is critical. Check tread depth using the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head down. If you see the top of his head, it's time for new tires. Most tires also have built-in treadwear indicators, small bars in the grooves that become visible when tread depth reaches 2/32 of an inch. Beyond tread, inspect for cracks, bulges, or uneven wear, which signal replacement needs. On average, tires last 25,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on driving habits and maintenance. Rotate tires every 6,000 miles to ensure even wear. Consulting professionals for installation. Once you've chosen your tires, professional installation is key. Improper mounting or balancing can lead to vibrations, uneven wear, or handling issues. Visit a trusted tire shop or dealership for installation, alignment, and balancing. Many retailers offer free or discounted services with tire purchases. Ask about warranties, as some shops provide coverage for punctures or defects. If switching between seasonal tires, ensure proper storage for off-season sets to prevent cracking or deformation. Professionals can also advise on tire maintenance schedules to maximize lifespan. Making the final decision. Choosing the right tire boils down to your driving habits, vehicle type, climate, and budget. Start by confirming the correct tire size and type for your car. Evaluate tread patterns, ratings, and brand reputation based on your needs, whether it's all-season versatility, winter traction, or high-performance grip. Compare prices and warranties to find value without sacrificing quality. If unsure, Consult a tire professional or use online tools like Tire Rack's Tire Selector. By prioritizing safety, performance, and durability, you'll find tires that enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.